We will briefly see in this class how parametric blocks work and what are the advantages of using these blocks in projects. To get started, open the available file. Parametric blocks are considered dynamic blocks, but with a different intelligence. Its dimensions are modified more easily and still allow you to create families of parts. Parts with families are those that maintain the same geometry, but with several variations in dimensioning. See that in our case we can modify the rounding radius of this rod and the entire design sizing is updated automatically. Let's open the block editor to see how a parametric block is defined. We click on Show All in the Geometric panel to see all the geometric constraints applied to the project. The geometric constraints, which define how the geometry of the drawing will behave, must always be applied to the drawing in order for it to be parameterized. Here we have restrictions that specify whether an entity will be vertically or horizontally, whether it will be parallel or concentric in relation to another entity, among other options. Now, to complete the definition of the parametric block, we must enter the dimensional constraints, which determine the dimensions of the entities that make up the block. We can insert constraints that determine the dimensions of linear elements, angles, rays and diameters. You can also link dimensional so that the part maintains proper proportions. If you wish to learn more, Render offers a specific course on the subject. We have seen in this class what they are, how they work and how parametric blocks are defined.